Hey, hey, Andre Productions. Hey, this is PYT
And your boy J Mar.
Hey, do it one more time, and we crazy for this one though. Let go.
Got some legs in the air, giving it to it like a California bear. I go so hard that I might go to jail. Niggas hate on me, what's the motherfucking deal? This girl real nice, I might make her my wife. Nah, scratch that, just hit it for the night. Now I'm at the club with my fucking homies, taking hella shots with a white girl on me. I tell her hop off and pass it to the homie so he can go ahead and put the D on her. And now that ain't defense, so try to get it right, cause you gon' know by the end of the night. End of the night. End of the night.
At the end of the night, I'ma take her to my house, turn her on like some lights. What's good? This your boy PYT. She love playing games, so she played with my weed. She smashed the homie, then I really got next. She sucked my dick ass, she get the car mixed. I'm a little goon and I get this shit poppin'. Eat it from the back and I never get to stop it. I'm nasty, I want a girl real classy. Don't ask me, man, I'll probably be your daddy. You mad, bro?
Nah, I ain't even mad.
Good, I can give 2 fucks if you sad. She so tight, man, I got her on lock. Bill Cosby flow, she want the pudding bar. Real nigga, she don't even know me. Word on the street that she smashed the homie.
Hey, she smashed the homie. She smashed the homie. She smashed the homie. She smashed the homie. Hey Dre,
What's up?
I heard about a girl and they say she's a slut.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and she figured too. But Ray Charles that ass and made it do what it do. She came to my crib when I was really in the mood. I let her rock that mic and she sang a little tune. She sound like a pro, I gave her that go. I gave her that D, then she really had to go. Niggas stay mad cause I keep the girls screaming. Never drop the ball so you know they stay screaming. I'm not a rapper but I keep this shit poppin'. Your boy from the B so you know I stay rockin'. Hey, she smashed the homie. She smashed the homie. She smashed the homie. She smashed the homie.
Smash the homie, she a big girl and I call her real chubby. Smash the homie, text her this dick, now she wanted to call me. Call me, cell phone on deck. She got real horny, so she wanted phone sex. I'm a heartbreaker, you better know what's up. Ass so fat, back it up like a dump truck. Like a dump truck, nigga, like a dump truck. She really think I care, I can really give 2 fucks. 2 fucks, are you fucking or not? Word on the street that you was a big thought. Are you single or not? Cheated on him, now you're gonna get caught. The red nose man shake like an earthquake. She hella bad like the Rascals Ote. And I dive in her body with no goggles. I love bad bitches, that my fucking problem.
Hey, she smashed the homie. 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 She smashed the homie.